Hello children, welcome back to ICT class. This is our video class number 55, and in the previous class we had revised chapter 6 and chapter 7 LibreOffice Calc software. Thereby we have discussed different functions like if function, lookup function, average, round, etc. And 7th chapter was LibreOffice Impress software. There we had discussed how to prepare slides and how to provide interaction and hyperlink to the slide. So these were our previous class topics. And in today's class session, we are going to revise chapter 8 HTML and chapter 9 OpenShot video editor. OpenShot video editor is such an easy chapter. Only one activity you have to study from this chapter. What was that activity? How to remove the unwanted parts from a video and how to separate the audio from the video. Then other things you have already learned from using different apps in your mobile phone. So 9th chapter is very easy chapter, but 8th chapter is a little bit difficult to learn because you have to study different tag. There is no any stepwise activities in 8th chapter, only you have to study different HTML tag. Okay. So let's start the class with first chapter, chapter 8 HTML. So in HTML, three main tag are there. One is HTML itself, second main tag is head tag, and third main tag is body tag. So other tags are we are giving or we are placing this other tags inside the body tag. So different activities are there in chapter 8. Creating a web page, we can include an image, we can include a video, or we can include different text. We can change that font size or alignment or any formatting applications to that text. Then we can include a table. So these are the activities in 8th chapter. So let's create a web page regarding sports day. So it will be more helpful for you to learn the different tags in HTML. Okay. So let's do one activity. Let's do an example from HTML chapter. So in this chapter we already have discussed how to create a web page related to Kalolsavam, isn't it? So here in this example, let's create a sample web page for sports day in a school. It's an extended activity in your textbook. So let's start this activity. I'll just show a sample code or a sample HTML tag, the important HTML tag used for creating a web page of sports day. Okay. So here first give the main tag HTML. After that give the heading tag. So inside the heading tag specify the title. So here I have given the title called sports day itself. So after specifying the title, close the title tag using / symbol. Then again for heading 1 specify h1 tag, then give a heading dbhssijk. This is the first heading here. After typing the heading, close it using / symbol. Then h2. Next tag is h2. Second heading. The only difference is that it will be smaller comparing to the first heading. I have provided the second heading as August 2020. Then close h2 tag using / symbol. After that, third main tag is body tag. So here within the body tag we can specify one attribute called what? BG color. So this is the property. So after specifying the property, put an equal to symbol and in double quotes give the corresponding value. Here the value will be color. So I have provided green color. So BG color is an attribute. There is no any HTML tag for specifying background color. That's why we are specifying this corresponding attribute within the body tag. Next we can provide one heading called items. After that we can type the corresponding items, handball, any item name, then football, then volleyball, then what? Chess. I have provided 4 main item name. Then next let's save this document. After that let's view this document. Okay. So here is the web page. So double click to open this corresponding web page. See, it will get opened in a web browser. Here you can see the corresponding title sports day. First heading dbhssijk, then August 2020, then items and item name. Here you can see every item name got appeared as a straight line. So for making it into next line, what we have to do? Specify a tag called BR. Okay. For indicating the end of a line, we have to specify the corresponding tag called BR. BR. Okay, then next save this document and let's see the change. Here refresh the document to view the change. See, every items got appeared in next line. Then we can provide mark you direction. Here to this text we can give font color, font size, bold, italics, etc. For giving bold letter, we can provide the letter called B. Then after that close the bold tag, save this document and let's see the change by clicking on refresh button. See, our heading got bold. Similar way we can give font color, font size, etc. So study that tag. Then we can give a image by specifying it path. Then also we can provide video, etc. Then now I am giving for this title I am providing, sorry, for a heading 1 I am providing mark you direction. So how to provide mark you direction? Mark you direction means what? For scrolling the text from one direction to other direction we are using mark you. Mark you is the main tag and it has one attribute called direction equal to, in double quotes, specify the direction value. Here I am giving right or left, you can give any direction. Then after typing this corresponding title, close mark you tag. Close mark you tag. Let's refresh this page. So you can see our heading is scrolling from one direction to other direction. Okay, so this is what mark you direction means. So this is a sample code. After all, close the body tag, then close the main HTML tag. Okay, so this is the web page creation sample code for creating a web page related to sports day. So I have used some of the HTML tag in this example. So you have to study each and every tag use from the 8th chapter. Okay, so this is a sample code. Hope you all understood this corresponding code. So that's our chapter 8. Hope you all have understood each and every tags using in HTML while creating a web page. Shall we move to next chapter? Next chapter is OpenShot Video Editor. Very easy chapter. How to remove unwanted parts from a video using razor tool and playback head tool and add marker tool. That is the important topic in chapter 9. And also we can include text or title. As an introduction part, we can include a title to the video. So that's our chapter 9. I'll show one activity from this chapter. And the last and final software in ICT textbook is OpenShot Video Editor. And it's a video editing software. You are very familiar with this software. We are doing some video editing softwares or applications in your mobile phone. So it will be more easy for you to do this activity, and it's a simple chapter. The main activity here in this chapter is removing the unwanted parts of a video by using razor tool. And also we can separate audio from a video and we can include title. So here there are some tools. So study the name of the tools and the uses. So first one is import file. Import file means we can import some video file to this workspace. And export means what? Export video means we can export it into a particular file format. Then razor tool, in order to remove the unwanted part. Here you can see a blue color head with a red color line. That is what playback head tool, to identify the part to be removed. Then next tool is add marker tool. Add marker tool means we can mark the part. So these are the main important tools in this software. So let's do one example. I'm going to import one video. So click on plus button. Then import a corresponding video to this workspace. So I am including a video. So whatever video we are imported, it will be displayed in this corresponding workspace. Then we have to make this corresponding video to the timeline track. This is called as timeline track. So simply drag this video and place it over the track. Then if you play the video, you can see the playback head is moving. So next main activity is removing the unwanted part. So move the playback head. Then suppose I want to remove it from here. So mark this point. After that, mark this corresponding point for better understanding. Let's mark this corresponding point by using add marker tool. So here I have marked two parts. This part is indicating the first starting position and this part is indicating end position. So by this marker tool we can mark the corresponding part. After that, by using eraser tool, click on this eraser tool and then first click on this first mark. After that, click on the second mark. You can see a eraser symbol here. So click on the next mark so that you can see what here the video gets separated into three main parts. So I want to remove this middle part. So how to remove this middle part? Again, now it is eraser tool is active. So for removing this corresponding part, again click on the eraser tool to become the eraser tool inactive. So click on eraser tool. After that, click on the part. Then press the delete key in your keyboard. Okay, so you can see that selected part got removed. After that, we can drag the second part to join with the first part. So this is what the use of eraser tool. Okay, we can remove the corresponding part by using add marker tool. We can mark the starting and ending position, and by using eraser tool we can cut that marked parts. And this is playback head to know or to identify the part to be removed. So this is the first main activity. Then second activity is separating the audio from a video. For that, select the video, right click over this video. Here you can see separate audio option. From the separate audio option, select single clip. So what will happen? Here you can see the corresponding audio of the video. So I am going to delete this corresponding audio because the audio gets separated. I am going to delete this audio and I am going to play the corresponding video. Okay. See, now there is no audio for this corresponding video. Our audio get removed. So in this manner, we can separate the audio from a given video. Next, we can provide heading or title to the video. So how to give title? Here you can see title option. Select title option from the title menu so that a window will appear. From this, select the corresponding title model. Okay, any title model you can select. I am selecting this model. Here you can give the corresponding title. I am giving the title as class 9. Okay, we can change the font color or font style, font size, etc. Then we can change the text color. Then we can give a background color for the text, etc. So like this we can provide corresponding color to the text and click on save option so that our title will get appear in the workspace. Drag this title and place it over the before the video. After that, let's play this video. See, you can see the corresponding title before the video. So in this manner, we can give title to a video. Here you can see transition and effect tab. You can provide different effects for the video. So this is the main activity in OpenShot Video Editor. First one is removing the unwanted parts, and next thing is separating audio from a video and providing title to a video. After all, export this corresponding video file. Click on the export button. After that, give a corresponding file name. Choose the destination by clicking on browse button. Then click on export video option so that your video will get exported to a corresponding file format. Here the file format is MP4. Okay, so this is OpenShot Video Editor software. Hope you all understood this activity. So while I am revising this chapter, try to learn these activities, mark it in your textbook or underline it in your textbook and study well. Okay, so these are the activities. So while I am revising this chapter, you can memorize the activities. Yes, this and this activities that we are discussing from this chapters. So it will be more helpful for you. So listen carefully while I am revising this chapter. Okay, from each chapter I am showing one activity. Thereby I am covering every portions from that chapter. So it will be more helpful for you to learn. Okay, so that's our chapter 8 and chapter 9. So we have discussed in today's class session first chapter HTML. So in HTML chapter there are main tags. There are a lot of tags for different activity. So study each and every HTML tag and its use. For example, including image, video, background color, scrolling the text, hyperlink, etc. Then second software was OpenShot Video Editor software. The main activities in OpenShot Video Editor software is one is removing unwanted parts of a video by using three main tools: playback head tool, marker tool and razor tool. Study that activity. Then we can separate audio files from a video by right clicking on the video, select separate audio option, single clip. Then third main activity is adding titles. So go to title menu, then select title option, type a corresponding text in the title. After that, drag that title before the video. So these are main activities in HTML and OpenShot Video Editor. Here are some homework questions. Try to find out the answers and write it in your notebook. So that's all for today. Our revision class is over. Then two more theory chapter are there. One is third chapter and one is 10th chapter. So you have to study every topics from theory chapter because there are no any practical activities to do. So study that theory chapters also. Okay. Then from this practical chapter you have to learn different tools, its uses, then how to do that activity, step by step activity by using different options like format page, insert image. You have to study that options very correctly. Then HTML, you have to study that tag, usage of that tag, how to apply that tag using angular bracket. So you have to focus on these things. Okay. So that's all for today. Do your homeworks, study well, take care, thank you and have a nice day.